Hello friends, this is Monica Talwar and my today's video is on French mustard dressing or vinaigrette, which is requested by my one friend. So for the dressing I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, then 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Here instead of lemon juice we can use vinegar as well. 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then we'll use salt to taste, black pepper to taste. For the emulsification, I am going to use a jar with the proper tight lid. We have some beautiful flowers. No, not for the recipe. So let's get started. So for the emulsification, we'll add each and every ingredients in the jar. So I added mustard. Then I'll put the lemon juice in the jar. Then the extra virgin olive oil. Yes. Then I'll add sea salt, which is freshly crushed. Now I'll add freshly crushed black pepper. That's it. Make sure the lid of the jar is tight, so we'll get the perfect result. So we'll just shake it. We have to shake it properly and continuously so that the each and every ingredients of the recipe will get emulsified properly and will get our desired result, which is dressing. Perfect. So I guess it's done. Yes. So guys, our dressing is done. Let me taste it first. Perfect. So guys, this is the dressing. This dressing I made by the French style, where I use 1 part of juice with 3 parts of olive oil. There are other 3 styles as well, like American style. They use 1 part of juice with 1 part of olive oil. For the English style, they use 2 parts of juice with 1 part of olive oil. For the Italian style, they use 1 part of juice with 4 parts of oil. So guys, hope you like my video. If you like my video, please do like it and let me know about it on the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe, and thank you so much. Bye.